Now that we have explored our data visually, it's time to prepare it for further analysis. Data processing involves cleaning and transforming the data to make it more suitable for modeling. First, let's talk about data cleaning. This step involves handling missing values, outliers, and any inconsistencies we might have noticed earlier. Next up, data normalization. This process scales the variables to a similar range, ensuring that no single feature dominates the analysis. Dealing with duplicates and redundant information is also crucial. We want our data to be as clean and informative as possible. Remember, the quality of our analysis depends on the quality of our data. For this data pre-processing, we can go through various steps. First is the data completion, complete data we have to take, and then we have to remove the noise reduction, and then the data transformation. We can apply various methods like scaling, normalization, and all other things. And if we have excess data in particular things, and we need to dimensional reduction, we need to take, and then validate the data which is useful and which is not.